Music therapy, by definition, is the skillful use of music and musical elements by an accredited music therapist to promote, maintain, and restore mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual health.
Music therapy has become a popular degree in American universities and has been implemented into many hospital rehabilitation and health programs.
Despite having a huge impact on modern medicine and recovery, music therapy has its roots traced back to ancient Egypt.
Ancient Egyptian healers used songs to expel evil spirits from the bodies of the ill. In Abydos Temple, the largest medical center in ancient Egypt, doctors used chant to cure diseases. In the eyes of ancient Egyptian society, music healers were high up in the social hierarchy.
Unfortunately, in present times, there are no academic centers in Egypt that provide a formal music therapy degree, and there are no music therapy centers in any Egyptian hospitals. The good news is the Egyptian Ministry of Health is sending people abroad to learn different health professions, including music therapy.
Now we turn to Nigeria, another country in Africa. The people take part in musical healing at certain times of the day and use special instruments during this ceremony. In fact, their traditional methods of healing are comparable to current clinical methods.
Clinical music therapy practice has been opened to handle the more intense and severe cases. Music therapy is offered at all colleges and universities and is seen as a very necessary and important thing in Nigeria. Despite music therapy being very important in this culture, there is a lack of strong research centers for development.
Now we travel to Kenya, which uses music therapy in a variety of settings. In less technologically advanced parts of the country, music therapy is used heavily in religion. However, in more civilized areas, Western religion has vanquished the rise of music therapy in religion, as it is seen as too primitive.
Music therapy is also used in special education schools in Kenya. However, it is not seen as medical, but entertainment. In Kenyan hospitals, patients battling cancer and HIV are subjected to music while they are in hospice care.
Unfortunately, no institution currently offers a music therapy program in Kenya. However, Kenyatta University is planning to start a music therapy diploma program. However, it lacks funding and qualified teachers to teach the subject.
Continuing on with our journey through Africa, we go to Ghana next. Music therapy in Ghana is fairly new and therefore is not incredibly established. Here, priests are the people that do music therapy. They use the music around them to enter into a trance state and speak with spirits. However, when doing these rituals, they are given concoctions that contain alcohol, so the validity of their experiences may be questionable.
One thing that is incredibly different in Ghana, as compared to the other countries we have visited, is the amount of community involvement. When a healer is going to use music therapy to heal an ill patient, the entire community often comes to help create music. They use a combination of guitar, trumpet, and drums most commonly.
Although music therapy has been established in tribal groups in Ghana, there is no formal training at universities. The students are exposed to music therapy while in school, but there is no formal training.
I'm sorry to mention that our journey across Africa is almost over. We have one final stop, in the country of Gambia. Here, music therapy is typically used in conjunction with other therapy methods, most commonly herbal medicine using surrounding crops, and biomedicine. Here, music therapists use music as a way to calm down patients because they believe that interpersonal conflicts, such as arguments or bitter conflicts, can cause a majority of the health problems that they are asked to treat.
Despite music therapy's roots stemming from Africa, many African nations do not fully support the use of music therapy as a true medical field. Hopefully, as time goes on and more research is done, these and other nations will understand its uses.